I hope the screen is visible to you now. We are going to do question number 3. First one. First onwards we will do quickly, children. Now remember one thing. Here they had already given the formula to us, that which formula you are going to use. But in exam, by having the data, you are going to decide which formula is applicable. We have the formula V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. These are the 3 formulas which we are going to use. So first question, the data, you are given that U is equal to 2 meter per second. Children, whenever you write the data, you write along with the unit so that you will understand that whether all the things are in MKS, all the things are in CHS, or we have to do the conversion. So you have to always check that. A is 4 meter per second square, T given as 3 seconds, and you are going to find out V. Okay, so V is how much? So we will use the formula. Now we check V वाला कौन से फॉर्मूला है? V वाला ये फॉर्मूला तो हो नहीं सकता. V वाला एक ये फॉर्मूला, एक ये है. So in that we'll check that U is given, A is given, T is given. So yes, I have to use this. Like that in the exam you are going to decide which formula you are going to use. So solution, I have decided I am going to use V is equal to U plus AT formula. So we have U as 2, A as 4, and then 3. Remember children, never ever do 2 plus 4 first. You are going to do 4 into 3. Use Bodmer's rule. 4 into 3 first. So it will be 2 plus 12. So that is 14. And what is the unit? See the last page. I had given the last page for all the units, everything formula. Meter per second. So your answer V is equal to 14 meter per second. Correct? So this is how systematically you are going to do the sums. We are not going to write down in the table. I hope you are writing along with me as we do in maths. Done? Now let us go to the second sum. In the second sum, we have U is question mark, A is 5 meter per second square, T is 2 seconds, and V is given as 20 meter per second. Right? So again I have to decide, and I will see that V, A, T and U contains this formula, so I will use this only. Substitute the values. 20, U is I don't know, so I will write as it is. A I will write as 5 and T I will write as 2. So 20 is equal to U plus 10. Now some people ना they get confused. अबे इसको यहाँ पे लेकर तो डिवीजन में जाएगा कि सब्ट्रैक्शन में जाएगा? People get confused. यहाँ पे ये मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आंसर तो इधर जाएगा तो डिवाइड होएगा. Like that the confusion arise. Remember children, you have to see ये जो नंबर है जिसको हमको शिफ्ट करना है, it is attached with the other variable with what operation, and you are when you are taking from one side to another, you are going to do the opposite operation of it. So here it is attached with you with the operation of addition. So here I will do subtraction. Okay, no confusion ना, divide में कोई नहीं लिखेगा. So answer came out to be 10. So U is equal to 10 meter per second is your answer. Children, in the exam, half mark is given for the formula, half mark for the substitution, half mark for the calculation, and half mark for the correct answer with units. So this is how 2 marks distribution is done in the exam. Okay? So this was regarding the distribution of the marks. Let us go to the second table. I hope you have completed this. Done it? Hello, is the class with me?
Yes.
Okay. So second question, u is equal to 5 meter per second. You have a is equal to 12 meter per second square. You have t is equal to 3 seconds. You are going to find out s. अभी s के अंदर ये फॉर्मूला यूज ही नहीं कर सकते. Either you have to use this or this. क्योंकि हमको s फाइंड करना है. In that also, when t is given, t is not given in this formula, so I cannot use this. I have to use this formula. So this is how you are going to decide the formula. Okay, so s is equal to ut plus half at square. So it is 5 into 3 plus half into a is 12 into 3 का square. Correct? Children, this ut is one part. You are going to do it separate calculation of it. Okay, ut and then plus this part. So 15 plus half into 12. Children, though cancellation was possible, I don't do it now. First, remember, if you have anything containing indices, you have to solve that first. Before the BODMAS rule also, you have to solve the indices, always. Now you can do the cancellation whatever is possible. So it will be 15 plus 6 nines are 54. So you have 69 meters. Right? So answer S is equal to 69 meters. Next sum. Completed this? Next one. So you in the next sum you have u is equal to 7 meter per second. You don't know what is a. You have t is equal to 4 and you have s is equal to 92 meters. So again you observe t is given. T is given, so I will be using this formula for s. I cannot use this, and this is so not possible because s is not there. So I have decided to use this formula. Right? ut plus half at square. So let us do that. U is 7. T is 4. This I will do. Plus half. Yes?
T equals to 4 seconds will come now.
Huh. Correct. So A I don't know and T is 4. And I have to do the square of it. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. ये ब्रैकेट में था तो मैंने कर दिया. Now remember, all of you pay attention. All of you. देखो, if in a hurry ना, if you are in a hurry, आप ऐसे कर दोगे 2 2 2 जा 4 और फिर 2 का स्क्वायर 4 ऐसे लिख दोगे. Which is wrong? आप ऐसे करोगे आपका आंसर क्या आ रहा है 4a. Now observe. What I said before the BODMAS rule, you are going to do the squaring. Square comes before all the things, means indices part. So half into a into 4 का square is 16. और अभी आप कैंसिल करोगे ना आपका आंसर आएगा 8a. आप अगर घाई घाई में पहले कैंसिल कर दोगे तो 4a आंसर आता है, means with the sum will go wrong. So that is why in the earlier problem also I didn't do the cancellation. First you solve all the indices part, then only go for the BODMAS or cancellation whatever is there. You have any indices part, then you have to solve that first. So it is 8a. What is s? S I have forgot to write down. So 92. 92. So next step 92 I will write. Correct? Now this is 8a. This is 28. Let me shift it here. So what will come? It will come in division or it will come in subtraction. ये किसके साथ में अटैच, वेरिएबल के साथ में कौन से ऑपरेशन से अटैच है? एडिशन So here it will be in subtraction. So subtract it. 64 is equal to 8a. So 64 upon 8 is equal to a. Cancellation is possible. And you got 8 is equal to a. So your answer is a is equal to 8 meter per second square. Clear? Followed? Shall I go to the third table? See, sums are easy once you know the formula. Formula का तो फिर कुछ नहीं है sum में. So let us go toward the third sum. You have u is equal to 4 meter per second. You have a 3 meter per second square. S you don't know. But given that v, children here it is not v square, right? It is v given. और v square तो गलती से formula की वजह से दिया. It is v. V is 8 meters per second. So now I have V. तो V वाला फॉर्मूला कौन सा है? This and this. Correct? S I have to find. इससे S find कर सकती हूँ. Do I have S anywhere here? No. So I cannot use this. So this is the formula which I am going to decide. Correct? So this is how you are going to decide the formula. So V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So substitute the values. 8 का square is equal to 4 का square plus 2 into 3 into S. See this 2AS I will do it together and this is S. Children, when you write S, remember that your S and phi should be clear to the teacher. आपको तो clear होगा आपका S है और आपका phi है, लेकिन टीचर को भी समझ में आना चाहिए कि आपका S है और phi है. तो S भी ऐसा और phi भी ऐसा. Both will be same. So it should not happen. Teacher should not get confused. Otherwise she will not give the marks. So S, see मैंने ऐसे बराबर से कर दिया है. So it is S only. What is 8 का square? 64. What is 4 का square? 16 plus it is 6S. Right? 3 to the 6, 6S. So now how will you do? 64 minus 16 is 6 into S. So 48 is equal to 6S. So 48 upon 6 is equal to S. 8 is equal to S. My God. So what is the answer? S is equal to 8 meters. This is the displacement. Clear? Okay, now the next sum is having some decimal points into it. So let us do it. So you have U unknown to me. A is given as 5 meter per second square. S is given as 8.4 meters. And V is given as 10 meter per second. Again, you don't have T, so I cannot use first formula. So I have decided to use the third formula.
Yes.
Yes?
V equals to 10 meter per second square.
Square will not come. Meter per second is the unit. उधर है ना v स्क्वायर है, so they have written meter per second the whole square, because in that table they had written v square. Okay, so actually it is this meter per second only. U and v both are having the units meter per second. It's a velocity, na? Velocity is displacement upon time, so meter upon second. Clear? So let us substitute 10 का स्क्वायर, 10 का स्क्वायर, u I don't know, 2, a is 5 and s is 8.4. Correct? What is 10 का स्क्वायर? 100, u square I don't know, plus 2 5s are 10. 10 multiplied by 84 upon 10. Is this clear? 2 5s are 10 and I am removing a decimal point here. 8.4 will become 84 upon 10. है ना? डेसिमल पॉइंट के बिना लिखते हैं और फिर 1 लिख के बाद में डेसिमल के बीच में जितने भी डिजिट हो दैट मेनी zeros will come. So after decimal point only 1 digit, so 1 0. Now this 10 will get cancelled. So 100 is equal to u square plus 84. So 100 minus 84 is equal to u square. So come on, do 100 minus 84. It is 16.
16.
So square root of 16 is u. What is the square root of 16? 4. So we got the answer. U is equal to 4 meter per second. See, u meter per second and v also meter per second. So this is how we completed the table form type of question. Now we will move on towards the word problem of question number 7. If all these things are clear to you. Fine, we'll go 7 ka first question. An object moves 18 meters in the first 3 seconds, 22 meters in the next 3 seconds and 14 meters in the last 3 seconds. What is the average speed? Children, make one, write on a piece of paper this formula and stick somewhere on the walls of your house so that while getting up, sleeping, you have this formula in front of you, so automatically it will get by heart. Like you should know tables in maths, you should know these equations. In 10th standard also we are going to use these equations. So please by heart it as you by heart the tables. नींद में से जाके भी ये आने चाहिए formulae. Okay, now I am just drawing the diagram. Children, sometimes it is possible to write down, sometimes it is not possible to write down the diagram. So I write down according to my understanding. An object 18 meters moved in first 3 seconds. So 3 seconds में it has moved 18 meters. Then next 3 seconds it has moved to 22 meters. And then in next 3 meters it has moved to 14 meters. Right? And you are asked to find out the average speed. 3 सेकंड के बाद में मैंने ऑब्जर्वेशन किया. What I observed, first 3 seconds के बाद में 18 meters, then next 3 seconds 22 meters, then next 3 seconds 40 meters. So what is the average speed? So how do you find out the average? Average is total distance upon the total time. So directly write down the solution. Average speed is equal to total distance upon.
We have to draw the diagram.
That is for your understanding. No marks for this. This is for your understanding.
So within data, so within
Nothing will come. It is not data को कोई marks नहीं होता है. Marks are always given for the solution. And that's why I have shown you the distribution of marks. Data is how you understand the sum in your own language and you comprise in a short forms. So total distance upon total time. So total distance is, come on, I have to do the addition, 18 plus 22 plus 14. और time में 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now children tell me, ये 3 6 18 cancel करूँ कि नहीं करूँ? 3 6 करूँ? Never. You are not supposed to do this. You can do cancellation only when you have just the multiplication. You cannot do when something is attached with the addition. You have to add it. Okay, so you are going to do the addition. So it is 54 upon 9. Now you can do the cancellation if possible. So it is possible. So 6 meter per second. So what is the answer? Average speed is 6 meter per second. Clear? Children, now as we did this question, let me do D sum. The last sum, question 7 ka D sum. It is related to this only. So let me do that. Okay, fine. We'll just change the order. No problem. All the sums should be there. Order change हुआ तो चलेगा. Just write properly 7 का D. चलो read करें. So you have a person swims 100 meters in first 40 seconds, 80 meters in next 40 seconds and 45 meters in last 20 seconds. Can you draw the diagram? Can you draw the diagram? 40 seconds na? So in 40 seconds 100 meters and 80 meters in next 40 seconds.